Hello, and welcome to A Phrase a Day, which is produced by the Language Center at the National Taichung University of Science and Technology. Today's phrase is chicken out.
放弃,
To chicken out means to give up on something because you are too scared. Chickens, as you know, are infamous for their cowardly nature. So, you can insult cowardly people by calling them chicken. You may even add some chicken noises for extra humiliation. Now for the examples. Example 1. When Sally looked down from the diving board, she chickened out.
Example 2.
Tom chickened out of asking Sally out on a date. Don't chicken out, Tom. Sally is just as scared as you are. Pluck up your courage and go for it. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.